Hey everyone, this is Jeff Kelly. I'm here with Marshall Presser. Marshall's going to be presenting at the Greenplum Summit, which takes place in April in Jersey City. Marshall, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and about the session?
Okay, thanks, Jeff. So I'm Marshall Presser. I've been with Pivotal Data Engineering for the last 6 or 7 years. What I'm going to be doing on the Tuesday before the official beginning of the summit is running a one-day hands-on workshop we're calling Petabyte Scale Data Warehousing with Greenplum. And the focus of this is, one, understanding the MPP, the Massively Parallel Processing architecture of Greenplum, and how that differs from standard Postgres. So we'll talk about the differences and the similarities between Greenplum and standard Postgres. There'll be a series of exercises that we'll do that will illustrate the points. They'll all be based on a cloud-based image, which everyone will have access to. And I think that people will be fairly comfortable and come out of this well-equipped to work with Greenplum in the future.
Great. So again, it sounds like a hands-on type session. So what type of attendees would you recommend coming to the session?
Well, you got to know SQL. So, and we expect that most people at this conference will be Postgres savvy, so they'll understand what's going on here, but they may not understand, why an MPP architecture is different than a single-threaded architecture and what you've got to do to take advantage of that. So DBAs, developers of standard Postgres, as well as new users of Greenplum who are just getting started, I think will come away with a much deeper understanding and ability to use it successfully. Also, we'll point them to a downloadable VM image of Greenplum, small, but they can work with it. They can try it with their data, absolutely free, freely downloadable.
Fantastic. Well, it sounds like it's going to be a great session. And everybody watching, I hope you'll be at the event. You'll attend Marshall's session. Marshall, thanks so much, and we'll see you at the show.
Thanks so much, Jeff. Catch you later.